Hello and welcome to the channel everybody, I'm Jason Storm, and in this video I want to talk about the Oculus Quest 2 Elite strap. I've currently got one on order because in Australia I just couldn't get them at launch even though I did pre-order it. It's meant to be coming next week for me, however I can cancel the order and I'm kind of debating it. And let me tell you why. There has been reports all over the internets that the Elite straps have been breaking. Yes, the Elite straps. The Elite strap that many VR YouTubers that have reviewed this strap have said that this is an essential item if buying an Oculus Quest 2. Well, this essential item might not be the best quality. As you can see here, all the Elite straps seem to be breaking around about here, whether it be one side or the other, maybe cheap plastic. The Oculus Quest 2 does come with this kind of elasticy band, and while it is reasonable comfort when you first go and put it on, this does tend to hurt your face after about an hour's use. Everyone does vary a little bit there. The Elite strap is meant to be much better. It's much more of a sturdy plastic strap that goes around the sides. You've got a bit of a head cupping thing going on at the back, and then your little strap that goes over your head. So it is meant to be a lot more comfortable. Now, Oculus are really struggling to actually keep up with demand with the Elite strap, and I don't think they planned on making as many Elite straps as they actually are, because everybody's buying them because this strap was just not as comfortable as it should have been. So a lot of demand for the Elite strap, and now on top of that everybody's trying to do a warranty claim on their Elite straps, because many of these Elite straps that have been breaking, these aren't necessarily because of abuse, they're not necessarily being dropped. This is literally just within 1, 2, 3 days of usage, when you go and just pop the headset off your face like this, people have them break just by kind of doing that, and then the side just breaks. Now, yes, maybe you're not meant to take your headset off like that. Like my Rift S, for example, that's a very similar mechanism at the back to this Elite strap, where you've got the little turny thing, you turn it, and then take it off. Well, yeah, maybe that's how you're meant to get it off. But if I'm being honest, I normally don't do that. I set it once, and then I just continually take it on and off with that setting. And I don't undo and do it back up, and that makes me worry. I can cancel this right now, and it won't cost me a thing. But should I? I think there's enough people complaining that there's breaking at the moment that it's not a one-off, it's not abuse, it's kind of a faulty strap. But being so close to the release of the new Oculus Quest 2, right now as I film this, there are not many third-party options out there that are either any good or any cheap. There's a few coming in the next few months, I believe. There's this one here from GoQuestVR.com, and I'm not sponsored by these guys at all. I'm just saying, with a quick search right now, this one is what I found. Judging off reviews of their Quest 1 strap, it seems to be pretty good quality. But this one here for the Quest 2 is not actually available yet. Apparently, according to the website here, This item is a pre-sale item, and earliest expected shipping date is around end of this month, at the earliest. And that's not when you get it, that's just when they ship it. You can get this with the headphones for $58 US, or without for $38 US plus shipping and all that. And you can get it in white or white and black. To be honest, I think probably going with the headphones could be good, because the headphones aren't very good on this. And so I'm at this point, do I cancel the Elite strap and go with something like this? The Go Quest VR one. It's cheaper, technically, because the Elite strap doesn't come with headphones. So it's only $38 US. But the option of the headphones, and you know, this one might not break. At least not within a few days. However, after a few hours of debating what I do here, I've decided, as a bit of a VR YouTuber myself, I think what I'm going to do is actually still keep my order for the Elite strap. And as my duty as a VR YouTuber, I think I need to test this out for myself and get back to you guys how durable I think it is. I have heard even the ones that are breaking, Oculus is replacing those. As I said before, they're under quite a bit of demand now because of all the breakages. So hopefully mine doesn't break. If it does, I guess I'm going to have to get it replaced. Maybe Oculus will come out with a better version and they'll replace it with that. I don't know. I don't think it's viable for Oculus to continue selling these particular Elite straps if all of them are going to come back under warranty. It's just not a viable business plan. Clearly too many of them at this stage are breaking, so Oculus are going to have to do something. So I am going to not cancel my Elite strap for now. May I order the Go Quest VR strap? Maybe. I might, simply for the additional headphones. And I would like to compare the comfortness of the Elite strap even to something like this, the Go Quest VR one, to see which one feels better. If you do have one on order like I do, or if you do already have one, my suggestion to you is be very, very careful of it. There is also another option if you own a 3D printer. Some of you may know a YouTube channel called Steve Knows. He's recently put out a video, this one here, head strap add-on. And effectively this is a 3D printed head strap that looks pretty cool in my opinion, that you can print off yourself for next to no money. That is an option if you have a 3D printer. Maybe go check that video out. I don't normally say, hey, go check out other people's videos, but you know, this is an option. I don't have a video on that. What is happening to Oculus? You know, all the hype of the Oculus Quest 2, they were all the way up here. This new VR all-in-one headset, $299 USD. And then after launch, they've come from here to somewhere down here. With the Facebook dramas and the Facebook account and getting banned and barred and losing all your Oculus content and not being able to actually use your headset because you got to log into Facebook and you can't get into Facebook because you've been banned on Facebook and you've had your account deleted on Facebook, and now the essential head straps are just breaking within days. Things are not looking well for Oculus, and that's sad. You always want VR to be in the best light possible. However, I think Oculus did probably try to go a little bit too cheap on this and then maybe they overlooked some Facebook integration into Oculus problems, which is just kind of dampening things a little bit, which is sad. There's not many other options like a Quest 2 out there currently, although I do hear a new Vive Focus is coming out. I don't know if I hold high hopes for that, despite the fact I really like HTC's products. I don't know. We'll see on that one. But anyway, thanks for watching this video, everybody. Hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next video.